My name's Alvarado. We had mold. There was wind coming in from the outside. The wall was messed up because the roof was not good. So water was coming in through there, and the sheetrock was falling in. The tiles were falling out. So you could feel the wind when we take a bath. I'm just grateful to y'all people, to all of y'all together made things happen for me. It's like I'm not in danger of getting sick. I'm not in danger of falling down and getting hurt. But I just thank you all. You're a blessing.